Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken. So let's get started. This is the week started with the gold trade. This is from the 20-minute chart, small trade, but something, right, to start with. From 1925 to 1933. The second, was on 18th, and you can see my entry here, and SL move to break even plus. All the trades are taken by the book, by the setup. Nothing is random. By the book, and I have to have 4 conditions before I pull the trigger. So that's how my setup is. Now this one's look at the same thing. US oil. This was an entry. This was an entry. Missed all of them, but I got this one small trade. No big deal. On the 19th. And on the 20th, pound Aussie, beautiful short entry here, and all the way gone. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. You can see. For 165 pip. So this is how the system is. It gives you a lot of entries and perfect by the book entries. This one here, Aussie yen, going to the upside for 85 pip on the 20th. This is on the 20th, New Zealand yen. Yen was getting weaker, so all yen pip went up, excuse me, buy order here, and it's all the way to the upside for 95 pip. And then this is DAX, German DAX. My son is learning to take, he is more interested in indices. So he's learning, so I'm helping him out. So this week it was all about, setting up the charts, the brick size, and, testing and doing and this and that. So a lot of indices trades you will see. So this is one of them, 70 from here, the nice entry here. A US30, beautiful entry. This was the entry. This was the entry, right? All the way to the upside on the 20th. Then I have gold again. This was the first one I just showed you, right? And it retraced, and this is the second one. I have been posted on the Telegram saying that the gold is about to go up again. Let me see if I see gold might be going up again here. And right from there, it went up, and I posted the chart later on as well. Yeah. So this was the gold on the 20th, and Aussie USD 60 pip to the upside, and it is on the 20th as well. Now here, pound USD, pound got weaker badly, and it went down all the way. And pound index chart I made over last week that the pound is going to drop big time, and it did. So all pound pair went down. Pound Aussie you already saw. This is pound USD going down for 115 pip on the 21st. A lot of trades on the 21st. US30 going down beautifully here. And I'll show you these charts later on in this video. Nasdaq also, I had this. Let me just show you. I think I have some open here. For example, this is Nasdaq. This is the chart I made like July 27, that this thing probably going to get a stop here, and then it's going to drop. This is a crap pattern, and it is like one of those this calculation, right? This is 61 to 161, 61% to 161%. Point B and point D pullbacks, 61% to 161%. And if you look at it here, you will see, where the heck that chart go? You will see that this pullback at B was 61%, and then boom, all the way to 161%. So that was the pattern, right? Earlier wave as well, but I was looking at this pattern, crap pattern, and then I said it's going to drop here. And I think, let me see if I have the chart here open. What the heck? Oh, no. This is what happened so far. So it came down here, went up, and then kept coming down now beautifully, right? In the meantime, I made another chart, which was this for Nasdaq. You see this Elliott wave count, 1, ABC 2, and then a small version again, 1, ABC 2, and it is also a bearish girdle pattern, and it started to drop, and I said we're going to go for wave 3 around 61%. Look exactly what happened. As of today, Friday, boom, it came down and hit this thing, and that's why you see me taking the trades to the downside. Similar charts for USD and S&P, all of those. I have made the charts out, but I don't have time to show everything here. So let's go continue with that. You see, this is the chart. See this small bearish girdle, and that's exactly what we have here. Whoops, where did it go? This chart here. beautiful small girdle, and then boom. So it is a girdle as well as the Elliott wave, wave 1 and 2, followed by wave 3 now, followed by wave 4. Wave 4 will be coming next week. Okay, so yeah, so what happened? This is the chart, coming down. I took this one, and then US30 again, boom, look at that on the 21st. S&P 500. I also have similar weekly chart. I made a video a few weeks ago. You can watch on my YouTube channel. That is going to drop as well. So it did, and it's a lot of entries, but finally I caught one. I'm usually not interested, but I'm doing it for my son and teaching him. Now gold, again, it dropped big time, and dropping a little bit. I caught here, small, on the 21st. That was after the FOMC, of course, when FOMC USD start getting strong, and then boom, gold goes down, right? Now, German DAX, again, small trade here on the 21st. And this is Nikkei, Japan's Nikkei. And again, beautiful entry I missed here, but, we were testing and, busy. So, but finally got this one and going down with that. DAX, again, this one on the 21st. And then US30 now bouncing from the bottom and going to the upside. US30 charts, let me see if I can show you quickly here, if I may. That US30, I made the chart. This is the one that I made. That's going to be like wave 1 and 2. It's going to go up here around 61% for wave 2, and then obviously wave 3 will come to the downside. And what happened to this chart is this, boom, right? So that's what happened. Weekly chart also, something like that I had. So this is wave 1, 2, and just keep going to the downside. We wave 3, it went down even more. But yeah, this is how it is. Let me see what else I had. Do I have anything else? Okay, so US30, I was showing this chart, and then again, this one, the same thing. Oh, okay. No, I opened the wrong thing here. Let me see which one was that. The one I was showing. Trades, man. Oh, okay, this one. All right, so this is the one, and then this is the back to the first one, right? So Euro Aussie on the 20th, I had this one as well. This is just the entry I'm showing. It's not even a trade. I mean, it was, but I closed it early, and then I think it hit my break SL at break even. It came back and hit my SL on the 20th. So this is it for now. It's a lot of trades, right? Almost like 18, 19, and most of them, like I said, indices. That's I was helping my son and somebody else as well, setting up the brick sizes and all of that in indices. That how this system can take the trades. There are a couple of oil trades as well, but I don't know where they are the charts. So yeah, the currency, the metal, indices, anything. You just have to adjust the brick size, but then it pays. It's worth it. It's worth the work doing that I do. It's a little bit of hard work and learning, but at the end of the day it pays off, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And well, weekend is just starting now, so we have the whole full day, right? Saturday, Sunday. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be making maybe a few more videos about different things separately, gold, oil, all of that over the weekend, so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them, right? And if you're interested, going, getting the system and learning all these mumbo jumbo, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, SNR level, this and that, how to do this, how to do that, then go on my website and subscribe, creativetradingsystems.com, and you have a couple of options there, and start learning. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Talk to you guys later.